guys, it's your producer here, and welcome to the third episode of Spartan TV. Today we're going to be covering many topics from homecoming, Thanksgiving game, Spirit Week, Spartan Brew Day, and this year's spring musical. So let's head over to athletics.
Well, since I'm an alumni now, I like coming back, basically, definitely watching the game and seeing the people I haven't seen since 3 months. And it's just that feeling of knowing that you come home and basically want to embrace the
Please join us and give a big round of applause to Andy, class of 82.
And how do you feel about today's game?
Today was great. It was special. It's definitely bittersweet. You're going to miss these kids, but they went out with the win, and that's all that matters.
And how do you think this year's season went?
It was a good season. I mean, ultimately, we didn't do what we wanted to do in winning a state championship, but when you look back, we played really well, and I'm proud of these guys.
And how do you feel about the seniors and that this today was their last game?
It's, like I said, it's bittersweet. It's tough because you really love these kids and you're going to miss them, but that's just part of it, so unfortunately.
Yeah.
Welcome back to
And I'm Aiden Brand, former weatherman of Spartan TV. We're here at the homecoming. We're here at the Thanksgiving game. Angie, please, it's my time to shine. Here at the homecoming game, Thanksgiving. It's going great. Spartans are winning. Stay strong, go Spartans.
On behalf of Spartan TV, I would like to congratulate the cast of Holy Spirit High School's fall play, Clue. It was a beautiful performance, and we are so proud of the fellow crew members who performed in that show. Now for this year's spring musical, the hshs Theater Department presents 42nd Street. 42nd Street tells the story of a young talented actor named Peggy Sawyer, whose talent catches the eye of the famous Broadway director, Julian Marsh. Peggy scores her first role ever in his newest musical, Pretty Lady. When the leading lady, Dorothy Brock, gets injured, it looks like they need a new star to take the stage. Someone like Peggy Sawyer. Come see the hshs Theater Department perform 42nd Street in March of 2023. Will Miss Sawyer have what it takes for the bright lights, or will she be back on the train to her hometown? Come find out.
That's your hella dope. And I was saying more than 600 people in this club is a hella crowd.
A member of the Central Powers.
It is Switzerland.
Rocco Samir.
How do you feel helping the upcoming freshmen today?
It feels good. It feels kind of honorable, to be leaving as a senior and helping out the upper class, the lower class, and the incoming freshmen. And, I'm just happy to get involved with the school.
Why do you think they should come to Spirit?
It's a great school. It's a strong, family type feel. And honestly, we're just better than any other school around, so.
All right, thank you.
Let's get 4 to 5 to a table, and we should be able to be okay with that.
Hi, I'm here with
Mason. Gavin.
How does it feel helping the upcoming freshmen?
Feels great. It's a lot of fun. These kids they're really having a great time out here.
Feels good to be a leader out here, showing these kids
where to go, and hopefully they're having fun and considering Holy Spirit as an option in their future.
Why do you think they should come to Spirit?
I mean,
It's a
Spirit's
family.
place to be. It's a place to be.
It's a family here. You come to Spirit, you're not gonna fall into the crowd like Dr. Farron said. You're gonna stick out. It's gonna be a family.
Emily Stewart.
Where are you from?
Galloway.
How do you feel being at Holy Spirit today?
It's pretty good. The test was pretty hard. I guessed on half the questions.
Are you having a good day?
Yeah, I am.
What has been your favorite part about the day?
The paper airplane part.
Thank you.
What school do you go to? Assumption. Are you interested in Spirit next year? Yeah. What part of the school are you going to? The small classroom. Thank you. I'm going to interview the interviewer. So, how is Spartan Day going?
I think it's going pretty well. I got here like 10 minutes ago, so I'm kind of confused. Not even. So I'm a little bit confused, but I think everyone is doing well. So.
Have you done any interviews yet?
Actually, no. This is the first interview of the day. Yeah. So.
Okay, thanks.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the first day of Spirit Week. Right now, we got Spirit games going on, so let's go see what's up.
Here at Spirit Games with Haley and Jackie and Heather. How do you guys think the freshman team is doing so far? Alright. I think we're doing pretty good. I think
Next one,
we're doing
over
better. Yeah. Who do you think is going to win Spirit Games? Us. Seniors. I think you should have chosen seniors. I'll forgive you guys.
Y'all ready? Alright, here we go. Ready, set, go!
Come on! You guys got this! Come on! Oh no, he's not!
There it is. Good job.
Alright, welcome to the third day of Spirit Week. Right now we are watching the Powder Puff Games, and we just finished the announcing of Homecoming Queen, which is the Morgan Murphy.
Shake it off, 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 ba-da-ba-ba.
Petrosh takes the handoff.
Hello, I have a few questions for you guys.
Alright, let's hear them.
First off, which team do you think is going to win? I think it's very obvious. The seniors and juniors are not.
He's wrong! He's wrong! Destroy! The sophomores and freshmen and sophomores on time. You're wrong!
Second question. How do you guys feel about the game so far?
It's kind of an outlandish game. I can't really see because our play callers on our side are not doing very good. I think Sean Burns is doing a great job. This is calling the plays and scoring for the offense. Great.
Alright, hi guys, I'm here with Morgan Murphy. And what's it like being Homecoming Queen?
Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I found out I was going to be amazing.
That's so awesome. And how do you think Mike feels being your escort?
I think he's excited. I think he likes to be my escort and play the game as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm here with
Justin Hackett.
And what's it like to be the president of the National Honor Society?
It's a big responsibility and I'm honored to be elected.
And how did you become president?
I was elected by my fellow classmates.
And what is some advice you have for those members who have just been recently inducted or members who would like to join soon?
I would say stay on top of your grades, get involved in the community, and get involved in different clubs and activities in school.
Alright, thank you so much. Hi guys, I'm here with
Mike Rodriguez.
And how did you become the president of the French Honor Society?
So I've been studying French at Holy Spirit for 4 years, and I made it to the point where I'm the only one in my French class, which really just gave me the up scale for the fresh president.
And what is some advice you have for those who have just been inducted in the Punch Honor Society and those who are willing to join?
Yeah, you definitely want to make sure you keep on it with studying because it all adds up, you know. It really helps if you study and make sure you're recording.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Hi everyone, I'm here with
Rocco Samir.
And how did you become student government president?
So I was involved with student government since my freshman year, and after being eligible to run for student government president, I was elected by my student body.
That's so awesome. That's like so great for you. And what do you do for student government?
So I essentially run the student government meetings as it is student government. I also help plan a lot of school events, things such as senior carnival, which I was also helped with my senior class president, spirit games, spirit week, everything like that.
And do you have any plans for this coming school year?
So we have a lot of plans for around Christmas time. Not going to disclose any of that yet. We have things such as senior sunrise, senior sundown, is that what it's called, and also prom.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Hi everyone, I'm here with
Sean Finan.
And what's it like being senior class president?
So it's a really big responsibility. I feel like the senior class has a lot of stuff to do with me. I have to plan a lot of the senior events, like senior carnival. That was me with help from my student government president, and all the other future senior events I have to help with Rocco.
And are there any like awesome plans that you have for this year?
So, like he said, there's a bunch of things we want to do around Christmas time, prom, Spirit Week, Catholic Schools Week, and most importantly, I want to plan a senior trip if we can with all the fundraising, and that's the really big thing for this year.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check our Instagram for updates and stay tuned for our new Christmas special coming up soon.